1200 watts. Taking care of business. Today we're stripping rust with the xTool, Metalfab, laser welder, and CNC. So I've been super impressed with the xTool and how easy it is to go from one process of cutting to cleaning. The other part about the xTool is it's really easy. The interface is simple. You've got your weld mode, your clean mode, and your cut mode. So today we're going to be doing some cleaning. We've got it in the 0.4, which is the wider width, and we're going to be cleaning some carbon steel. So these are the parts we're going to be cleaning. These things have been out in the weather for a while now. As you can see, got some pretty good rust buildup. And normally we'd be wire willing these. They're going to be TIG welded. They're for a guardrail. And if any of you have ever TIG welded through rust, it doesn't work. So here we go. Yeah, that is working real slick. Incredible. So this looks like it did a real good job at knocking that rust off. I'd say this is ready to be TIG welded. You can see what it was before with that rust. And we've got some other parts. We're gonna really put this thing to the test, crank up the power, and hit with the laser as well. Let's clean the rest of these parts first. Just like that, these are ready for fabrication. That rust came off pretty good there, and I'd say it's clean enough to TIG weld on. And now we're gonna rip through this rust. This is a cast cap that looks like it's been living on the bottom of the ocean. So now I'm gonna crank up the power. We're gonna go to advanced mode. We're gonna turn this all the way up to 100. Enable lasering. Woohoo! Wow. Looks like the 4th of July. It tore right through that stuff. 1200 watts. Taking care of business. I think I found my new favorite hobby. That was impressive and really fun. It's kind of like mowing the lawn. Now we've had this xTool for almost a month now. We've cut a ton of parts on the CNC function of it. And as you saw today, the rust remover is no joke. It did a really good job. If you're interested in one of these xTools, go to xTool.com. They're running a Black Friday special where you can get $2,000 off the kit you're looking at right here today. The CNC cutter, the laser welder, and the compressor and air dryer.